Hello guys, welcome to Ernest Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I want to share with you step-by-step procedure on how you can buy Telegram stars using Ton. Buying Telegram stars using Ton is cheaper than buying Telegram stars directly on Telegram. But before we start this video, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. Okay guys, what you have to do is to head straight to your Tonkeeper wallet. Tonkeeper. Okay, this is my Tonkeeper. Then the next thing you need to do is to fund your Tonkeeper with Ton. If you don't have Ton, you can buy Ton on any crypto exchange and send to your Tonkeeper wallet. If you don't have Tonkeeper wallet, simply go to Play Store, download Tonkeeper, create a wallet, then fund the wallet with Ton. Okay, fund the wallet with Ton. You can buy Ton on Bybit, OKX, Bitget, Binance, any crypto exchange at all, or you can buy from vendors and fund your Tonkeeper. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on browser here. You click on browser, then you scroll down until you find Fragment. Okay, this Fragment here under NFT. You click on fragment.com. Okay, then you connect your Ton wallet. You can see connect Ton at the top. You click on it, you connect wallet, you enter your password. Okay, now my wallet is connected. Then you select what you want to buy. If it is Telegram star, you can see star here, usernames, numbers, stars. You select stars. Okay, then you can enter the amount of stars that you want to buy from 50 stars up, or you can just click on show more options so I can see more options there. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I want to buy 250 stars. Okay, so I will simply select 250 stars, or I will enter the amount here, or I will select it here. So I selected 250 stars. Then the next thing I need to do is to put my Telegram username, the Telegram where I want to buy the stars, or the Telegram where I want to use the stars. So I'll enter my username here. Okay, I've done that. Then I'll click on buy 250 Telegram stars. Okay, then after entering the amount, it will show you your Telegram. You can see it, buy stars for Ernest Academy. This is the emoji that is after my name on Telegram. So this will help me to confirm that is actually my Telegram that I'm buying the star for. Because if you make mistake in the Telegram username, the star will go to another person. So I will buy the star for Ernest Academy. I will slide to confirm, then enter my password. Okay, it's done. Then they are recording the transaction on blockchain. So after the recording, we'll check on Telegram. Okay, you can see notification. Okay, let's go back to Telegram and see if they have sent the stars. So I'll go back to Telegram. You can see it has added. Initially I had only 2 stars. Now I have 252 stars. You can see it received gift 250 stars, unknown user. Okay, so that is all. This is the simplest way to buy Telegram stars instead of paying the expensive amount, buying it directly on Telegram, or for those that don't have bank card and all that, can use your turn and buy it. It's very easy and it's the best method so far. So guys, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and share it on all your social media platforms. Make sure you are following us. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.